Hey everybody, welcome. Today I have Sony WH-XB900N and I'm going to tell you how can you easily install it up for your iPhone and set up your headphones with it. So at first you have to open your App Store over here, and here you have to go into search. In the search bar, search for Sony Sound Connect. Here, as you can see, we have this application, Sony Sound Connect. We have to install this app. If you have get button over here, you have to authorize yourself with Apple ID password or Face ID. It will take some time, so don't worry. It depends on your internet connection mainly. As you can see, I do have my application now installed. We have to tap open. And as you can see, here we have to tap I read the above contents and agree, start. Here we have to tap agree and proceed, agree and start using, allow, next. And now we have to check if we are connected with our headphones. So we have to go into Bluetooth and connect with our headphones. It will be easier if we are connected with our headphones. As I can see, my headphones are turned off, my mistake. But as you can see, now we are connected. So we have to go back into our application. And here, as you can see, we have our headphones. We have to tap OK, later, continue without restoring, next, later, next. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.